Hi, my name is Hilal. I'm from Lucknow, a place in India, uh, state UP. The the only thing why I am coming online just to talk to you people because nowadays I am uh, going through many literature regarding cleanliness and your mind, body, and soul. The three things are very important for the person. There are three health issues where the people are having health issues in early age also, in old age also, in the middle age also. Maybe the reason we are not taking care of ourselves very well, that is why it is happening. The first reason, maybe this is our lifestyle. If you go to any doctor, and all the doctor is saying the same thing. It is because of your lifestyle is not very healthy. That's why you are having this problem. And the other thing, they're saying, okay, baby, because your father was having this problem, your grandfather may be having this problem, so that's why it is coming. But the thing is, main point, why the doctor is coming to this conclusion that because of your lifestyle is not good and because of your but the genetically you are getting transmitted sickness. But science has proved that if a person can change his perception, so there is no genes kind of theory. If you feel like you are happy, if you bottom from the bottom of the heart, you feel happy, your sickness will be reduced. If you are stressed, definitely even the headache will be horrible for you. The headache is not a disease, but sometimes when you are in pressure, when you are in tension, then the headache will be a severe problem. Even sometimes people are having migraine. People are say, "Oh, I'm having a lot of headache and I cannot work, and I want to take rest." Same thing happening even somebody is having chronic illness, like he's having some pain in the chest. Somebody is having a pain in your leg because of arthritis, because of maybe fever. But you just see this two, three disease which I have mentioned to you in front of you, where you can see the headache is exactly the same effect is like other diseases, because you are not able to work, you're not able to walk, you're not able to join the office, you don't feel happy. So the point is, what I mean to say that his health is related to yourself, solely to yourself only, where a lot of people are nowadays going for meditation, going for yoga, going for some exercises, and this meditate, and the other people also they're going for gym. The gymnasium is not solving their problems, they are increasing their problem, because they're doing a lot of work, and they're damaging their tissues. Lot of tissues they're damaging, and they don't know what they're damaging. And once they go like 45, 46, and in the late 40s, then they start realizing, oh, they have some problem in their leg, they have some problem in the hand, there's some problem in the neck. So the what I mean to say, that the exercise, or you go for running, you go for diet, and so it all gives you a negative impact, because you cannot come to a conclusion you're going to a gym, you are having a very good health. But if you are going for yoga, definitely you're going to have a good health. If you're going to do a meditation, the perfect meditation, the real meditation, you are really going to have a good health. Why it is happening? Why it is happening? Why the people say, okay, because of meditation they are feeling well, because of yoga they are feeling well, and maybe because of gym they are not feeling well? Why it is this? This is the reason. In fact, when you talk to any guy who is doing exercise, they say, I'm burning this much calories, I have burning this much calories, I have to I'll not take this, I'll take this drink, and they also take care of these things, but the benefits you are getting more from the yoga and meditation than the you getting the benefit from your daily exercise. Yeah, because I just going through these things. No, I was also wondering myself also, because I was not aware why it is happening and why the people are not confused. People are confused and they are not getting the real information. The information is the key. The real information is the key to get you where you want. So I gone through many books, and I've gone through many people. I come across whoever I just meet, I discuss about these things, and I come to the conclusion. Like, we cannot say the conclusion, just some discussions. I'll just open some discussions. If somebody, I believe, like somebody from the sports side, can they come up and say that the which sport is the best for their daily lifestyle? So, can I ask you? Okay, but I do appreciate that whatever you said, it is good, and maybe some other people, they are not agreeing to that, because these people are not. They are going daily to the office and they're sitting. Their job is sitting. They are going daily in the morning 7 o'clock. They're coming back in the night 9 o'clock. So, what is the best thing they can do? Even they cannot reduce weight. Suddenly, they cannot go for a gym for 2 hours. So, it is a question for all. It is not question only for me. It is for question for all the people that are sitting here, to how to get a best health, how to get a good health, how to achieve a good health. Because the health is, some people say, not some people say, the whole word says, the health is wealth. So, how to get a good wealth with good health? So, I would suggest somebody who is doing the meditation or somebody who is doing yoga, they can put more light on that. Okay, can you explain us? What can you say? Just tell us what are the benefits we will achieve when we do yoga. Yes, I do understand. This gentleman, what's your name? Alvin has said that because the yoga, he has just first explained, because you could not hear it, but first explained what is yoga. Yoga is like the yog. Yog means the joining, means the in one line. The yog means the joining of mind and soul. Mind and soul. So, when you put all in one line, mind, body and soul, that is called yoga. So, what does it mean? It means when you are planning to do some exercise, you are planning to do some meditation, you are planning to do some yoga, the whole body, mind, soul should all be one line. Then only it will benefit. So, it's like you are in a car and the whole car has to go somewhere. Then only you will reach to the place, because if the engine cannot be separate, the body cannot be separate, the oil cannot be separate, and the tires cannot be separate. So the mind, body and soul is like the body of one car. So the whole thing has to go together, then only you will be achieve a good health. So meditation or yoga, why it is so beneficial? Because even if you go do it for 10 minutes, even somebody has forwarded me an email from Harvard. They have done some study that while going to the work, if you do meditation for 10 to 20 minutes, it will increase your productivity. It will increase your energy. It means what? It means when you connect all these three things together, then you are more powerful, you are more healthy, and you are more cheerful. You can have a full of energy and you can enjoy this world. That is my message.